All right, WestKiss, let me find out y'all doing something here. I didn't even put no glue on it. Look, I got something exciting, and I know you know what it is. Can you guess? Well, I ain't gonna hold you. This is a new wig, and let's open her up together. I bought a wig off of TikTok shop from WestKiss Hair. This is her. This wig is supposed to be a wear and go. It already comes ready. So I should be able to just throw her on my head and go. So let me give you the details. I bought a 16-inch, 250 density wig, 6x8 lace closure. I spent $133.88. It is pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-curled. So the goal is for me to be able to throw this on my head and to go. So let's see. For the free gifts they gave me, it looks like a little bathing suit bikini, a bonnet, wig caps, edge brush, a scrunchie, lace band, lashes, and a clip. So this is how she looks right out of the packaging. It does have a little side part action situation here, and it is curled pretty nicely. So in true fashion, the lace is a little bit light skinned, and I cannot wear mine like this. So I'm just gonna tint my lace, throw it back on, fix it up a little bit, and I'll be ready to go out the door. This is the wig after I just tinted the lace. And I just laid that little baby hair that was in the corner right there. And honey, all right, WestKiss, let me find out y'all doing something here. This hair is extremely soft. It is flowing. It is already curled. Like I said, all I did was tint my lace, throw this little side piece down. I didn't even put no glue on it. Look, I didn't put nothing. The lace is very soft. It does have a natural looking hairline already. Now, just for my own comfort, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little melt spray on it. But truthfully, I feel comfortable going out like this. Now, it does have the combs inside, and it has the lace band for security. I'm kind of stumped. I'm kind of impressed. I will not lie. This feels and looks really, 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 really good. I'm not curling it at all. I'm going out just like this. So WestKiss, I think you did your big one. And for my first impressions, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Maybe I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10 because the lace was a little light skin, and that's the only reason why I couldn't wear it and go. But It looks good, it feels good, and I'm ready to go. And it took me all of 10 minutes. Y'all. Okay. Let me know what you think of this wig in the comments. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think that you'll buy it after this review? But until next time I see ya, bye.